Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the basics are reliable. Clean air, fresh fuel, and healthy spark plugs so the engine can rev predictably. Once done, inspect drivetrain items like gear ratio and tires because mechanical losses change usable RPM. Next, attach a tachometer and record idle and light load RPM to establish a baseline. This measurement tells you where to raise or smooth the rev range. Make sure to note conditions, cold versus warm, and log values for comparison. You now refine how the engine breathes and sparks to hit a strong mid-range RPM band. Start by advancing or retarding ignition, timing, and lean/rich adjustments in small increments to see torque changes, because timing affects where torque peaks. Once done, alter cam timing or shift points if available to keep the engine in the target RPM during real driving. Test under steady loads, logging RPM, torque response, and throttle percentage so you can iterate towards stable, usable revs. You finish by locking in fueling and ignition maps, focusing on the RPM bands you use most so performance and economy align. Then drive through realistic scenarios, city, highway, hill climbs, to confirm smooth rev transitions and consistent torque. If you see surges or dips, make incremental map changes. If problems persist, check sensors, vacuum leaks, and ECU logs because bad inputs often mimic tuning faults. One troubleshooting tip: isolate mechanical issues first, then retune
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.